What's going on, guys? We have an Audi S3 today at the shop, and we're going to be replacing the grille. And this is the grille we're going to be putting on it. It's a gloss black, all the inserts, all the emblems, around the outside of it, it's all a nice gloss black. And here's what we're working with right now. So it's going to be a really cool upgrade. This car was actually at the garage recently. We did the chrome trims, and then we did the back section of the roof here. The car's a little dirty right now because you just got the windows tinted too. Really good looking car though. I think this grille is going to be a nice addition to the front. Once again, thank you guys for watching. I appreciate the feedback. I know you guys, I've actually been getting a lot of requests to get my YouTube up and going. I have the account, but I just really suck at making videos and putting them up. And especially being on like a weekly schedule of putting up videos, I'm bad at that, but I'm definitely gonna be trying to put up more videos as I go. I really appreciate the feedback. I'm very excited that you guys want to see what we do here at the garage. That's pretty cool. So I'm gonna be putting up some more videos. Just I guess keep an eye on the page. I'll do what I can, guys. Thank you.
I see what the other one is, because there's a bolt right here that I can see. But I don't know if there's gonna be one right here or one over here that hooks in that way.
Oh, I see. So right now we got the top 3 bolts removed. We're looking at here, here, and here. And then there's gonna be 3 bolts on the insides of the fender liners. And it looks like everything is torqued so far. Here, 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 and up here as well. So we're looking at 3 bolts inside of there. And then most bumpers have a bolt here, something of that sort, maybe one here. But there's gonna be at least a bolt inside holding the bumper to the fender. So we're gonna figure that out right now. Pull the bumper off of it. All right, so we got the bumper off. It ended up being a pretty tough job. So when you take this bumper off, you're gonna have a bolt here going upward, and then a bolt that goes sideways coming this direction in the inside of the fender. The bolt that's coming this direction was kind of a pain to get to, and you had to like inch it off. And then obviously same thing for the other side. There were some clips down on the bottom. And then when we went to pull the bumper off, we noticed that it has a windshield, or it has headlight washing systems, like nozzles and everything. So if you look here, this is actually like some type of pump or nozzle that sprays washer fluid up at the headlights when the bumper's installed. So we had to disconnect that straight from the washer reservoir. And this hose goes all the way down to the reservoir. So when you pull that off, you keep it with the bumper, makes it easier. And then now that we're looking at the back of the grill area, we're gonna have some, it looks like T20s all the way along the outside of the grill. And then it should come right off. All right, so we got all finished up with the install on this grill. Quite frankly, it was a huge pain in the ass. I've done a lot of bumpers at Mercedes and everything, but this Audi bumper was no fun. They didn't make it very technician friendly for sure. But check this out.